Telugu is one of the oldest languages on earth. Telugu is easy to learn than English. Telugu has changed the Indian map. Telugu is the fastest growing language in the US. Hi everyone, this is Gautami. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to Paderu Mauru channel. Take a minute to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and set the notifications into all. In this video, I am going to tell you what are the advantages of learning Telugu. Telugu is the largest member of Dravidian language family, primarily spoken in the southeastern India. It is the official language of states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Telugu is one of the oldest languages on earth. There are records of Telugu having been used for literature and poetry since the 11th century. There are currently 75 million speakers of Telugu living in India and around the world. After Hindi and Bengali, it is the third most frequently spoken of all the Indian languages. Telugu is easy to learn than English. Its grammar is simple and it is a free word order language, which means it is easier for the learner to form new sentences. Telugu has changed the Indian map. A major part of the local identity was a feeling of pride in the Telugu-speaking people, which led them to demand a separate state. In the tension created by the British domination, cultural leaders of the Telugu-speaking regions played decisive roles. When the central government refused, a local leader called Potti Sri Ramulu fasted to death in 1952. But eventually, the people's request was heard by the government and in 1953 the Andhra Pradesh state was created. Telugu is the fastest growing language in the United States. The number of Telugu speakers in America grew by 86% in 7 years, surpassing the growth rate of other major languages such as Chinese and Arabic. As reported by the BBC, the US had 4 lakh Telugu speakers. Telugu is at the core of American IT sector's growth. The immigration of many engineers and technological developers from the Telugu-speaking states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana started with the need for qualified professionals in the information technological sector. Telugu-speaking community is continuously expanding in the United States of America. This has in turn also increased the demand for Telugu-based services such as language lessons, books and technology. Telugu is part of a new trend in translation and localization services. Technology giants such as Netflix and Amazon are turning their localization efforts towards Indian languages in an attempt to grow their customer number. As a result of these migration processes, cultural growth and major commercial investments, translation and localization services providers are also turning their eye towards Telugu language. Telugu has a feminist tradition. It is the oral tradition of Ramayana songs. In this video, I try my level best to give you what are the advantages of learning Telugu. Don't forget to like and share my videos to your friends and family. Click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon and set that to all notifications so that you will receive all the videos that I post. Thank you for watching.